U.S. stocks edge higher after a big week. Oil slumps 7 after Dell said it was acquiring the company in a deal value at about $67 billion. Since going private in 2013, Dell has been investing in research and development and expanding its software and services business. Pulling the plug, Eli Lilly dropped after the drugmaker said it was halting development of evacetrapib, the drug that was intended to treat patients with high-risk heart disease. The stock fell $6.57, or 7.6%, to $79.57. Earnings outlook: JPMorgan Chase, Bank of America and Citigroup are among the banks that will report third-quarter earnings this week. Overall, earnings are forecast to slide by 5.3%, compared with the same period last year, according to data from S&P Capital IQ. Most of that decline is due to a big drop in energy company earnings after a slide in oil prices. The quote, "This earnings season will be a confirmation process. Yes, we have low inflation and yes, we are growing very moderately, but fairly dependably," said Scott Wren, senior global equity strategist at Wells Fargo Investment Institute. "It will be okay, it won't be great, but I think we can look forward to better earnings growth in 2016. A good week. The stock market is coming off its best week of the year. Most of the gains came after the release of last week's disappointing jobs report, which suggested the Federal Reserve would postpone a long-anticipated interest rate rise for several months. That signal was reinforced Thursday, when the minutes from the September Federal meeting showed policymakers are too concerned about low inflation and the slowdown in China to raise interest rates. Low rates can help boost stocks by reducing returns on other fixed income investments such as bonds. China trade. Forecasters expect data Tuesday to show China's September imports contracted by as much as 15% from a year earlier in a new sign